Draw good thin and thick lines, not necessarily all of them thin. Make sure it is bright, very important. Right, very bright. Let them be longer as well, some of them, intentionally. Take paint occasionally, frequently if you want, because you want to make sure that you have enough paint to apply it thick. Right, okay, I think that's enough. Now take paint, tip of the brush, and try to apply just the dots, so you have to apply this very thick, so it's actually very easily visible, like not round shape or oval shape. If you touch, you get to know. And don't try to put it in only one place, they can go all over the places, up, down. See, it's white, I won't be able to see those. That's common, can't do anything with that. Right, I think I'm good. Right, correct. Now what I want to do is take orange, whatever orange we have here on the tip of the brush, just try to put for some of them at least underneath. If you can't touch it underneath. So this is actually going to give kind of details. Just touch underneath, not on top of them, underneath each one of them. Some, see, that orange will make it look like the ones which are under them, on top of the bright ones. I'll be able to see them. That's a good part of it. Right, okay, so now I can just apply just a little bit orange here, goes that side, orange there. Right, correct. See that pinkish color? If I had not painted with white, I don't think we'll be able to come with that bright color. Right now